everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. And right now, as you can see, I'm inside Roblox and having a lot of fun. But what you can do is, let's say you're having problems with Roblox and Roblox is crashing on your end. So you do not need to worry because I'm here to fix your problem. So first of all, what you need to do is simply head to your this Windows icon from the bottom left side of your screen, and you're going to be searching there for this run. Simply type in run and press enter, and you can see we have a window opening. Let me just minimize that. So you can see we have a run window going on, and in here you're going to be simply searching for percentage app data. App data and percentage again, and now you'll be able to see that we will be directed towards our app data section, and in here you're going to be simply searching for Roblox. So search for Roblox in here, and you'll be able to see that we have this Roblox folder going on, and we're going to be selecting that, and from our menu simply delete this. So you're going to be deleting this folder, and once you do, what you're going to be doing is that simply head back to your search again, and in here you're going to be heading over to your computer settings. So head over to computer settings, and in here what you're going to be doing is that we have this apps in here. Click on that, and now what we need to do is simply head over to installed apps. Just wait for a couple of moments until it loads up, and after that what you need to do is in the search bar you're going to be searching for Roblox again, and here you will have your Roblox. You can see we have Roblox going on, and we're going to be selecting these three lines, and from there we're going to be installing that. And now let's say you have any Wi-Fi connected, make sure that you have a perfect Wi-Fi connection as well. So you're going to be heading over to the website to download Roblox again. So as you can see, I'm going to be typing here roblox.com. I'm sorry, not roblox.com, but what you're going to be typing is that you're simply going to be typing there for download Roblox. So yeah, once you do, you can see we have this direct link to download Roblox, and when we click on that, you'll be able to see that we are now on our download page, and from here you're going to be downloading roblox.com again, and once you do, you're going to be launching that as an admin. So once you do, hopefully you will have your Roblox fixed and you can have your fun again. So you can see Roblox is up and running, and I'm having a lot of fun here joining this lobby. So I hope you do as well. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.